Matic, and that is one that we did have a very low target from way back in the day, that when people were asking about it. I'm going to look at that, but you can become members of Jabroni Killer. You can super chat to support the channel from the great state of Michigan on another very cold day where we had a high temperature right around 18 degrees and cloudy, because in the wintertime and fall it's cloudy all the time here in Michigan. But you can see this is members of Jabroni Killers. I don't know why it's only showing 2. It should show a lot more than that for channel members. But you get my utmost attention with the comments, and it's an industry exclusive best value. And just real quick, bear with me and we'll get into the video. You can see my videos. If you want to become members, you can see it's right there in the pinned comment or the video description below. Just hit that first link there at Vincenzo's Jabroni Killers. And then if you want to use my links, Coinbase and Robinhood are right there, right below it, are all the trading sites that I trade on. And we'll start off with Matic as our lovely member, Jabroni Killer. And Matic, we haven't looked at in a while, and you can tell that by the chart that's on here. And if we scroll into the daily, you can see, or the weekly, you can see why this is very old. And look at down there that we had. Let's get that into black. Vincenzo predicts new all-time low at 17 cents. And I'm assuming we were doing this, the last time we looked at this was probably way back in here somewhere, because you can see where we had our yellow box or orange box of resistance down there that it was trying to get held on support, and it's bounced a few times on there. And you notice this with our hideous, ugly, old way of doing things with those price labels or price notes, where we have right there at 17 cents. We'll bring that over here now. We had a new all-time low being forecasted, right? You see that? That's been there ever since the last time we looked at this chart. We'll expand this out farther. The fixed volume profile, if it'll let me click it. There it is. See that? 2022 is the last time we even looked at this, because that's where the VP volume indicator is. And then we can get rid of that one. Yes, we want to remove it. Come on. Get rid of that ugly price note. Unlock this. And we'll bring this to our new major support and resistance, which is down here at the thick of these big candles right there. But notice they're all sell. Red is sell. Green is buy volume. Notice they're all sell volume. And that's because, like we were talking about way back then, I believe this was a shit coin, right? And it is a shit coin, and it's in the shit house. And it's attempting to get buried under 32 miles of shit. It's shit, Vincenzo. I can't even do this, the angry voice right now, because I don't have any fucking... Can you fucking believe this, Vincenzo? You lost your voice because this fucking coin is so low. You know? I've been yelling that this coin was a shit coin for so long. I can't even yell at the coin right now because I have no voice, right? But you can see we're struggling right here at the 29 cents. And last time we hit the 29 cents, it had a very big bounce. Back here in November of last year, it went up 170% with the rest of crypto. And now it's giving it all back. And if we zoom into the daily time frame, where I like to do all this, you can see we have this bearish cross, actually golden bearish cross, where we had the 50 not only cross the short-term moving average, but also the long-term moving average, right? And now the red is sitting on the bottom, and that's super bearish, super chat or super bearish. And if you break and you fail to hold this right here, you're coming down to that low that we put down there. That's sitting down here where we said a new all-time low was possible. Ooh, we need to move these. Come on. We need to move these back. Get off of that. Get this over to this current time frame. Get this over there. If you break that, you're coming down to a new all-time low down there at 17 cents, something that we predicted and said a couple of years ago, and this coin's been in the shitter. And I do remember when Matic was out, and it was up here at around $2.81. This was a high flyer. This was the hype train. This was the momentum, baby. And everybody was talking about it like it was the next greatest thing. And we were telling you it was going to the shit house, and then it was going deeper than the shit house. And now I think officially it's down 99% at current price. Its all-time high was about right there. We're down 89%, so we still got some ways to go. And if this does break this, it's going back all the way down, or all the way to, for the first time, to our new Vincenzo lows. Or this could form sort of that dinosaur pattern. See that? Where you got the conveyor belt right there, but it looks like a dinosaur, and then it leaks down, as that is a very bearish Vincenzo reversal pattern, the dinosaur conveyor belt reversal pattern, right? And that's what that could try to form here on a regional double bottom, and maybe try to bounce back up in the short term to the moving averages. But